Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we have got my ice cream beauty box, or it looks like the bag, doesn't it? But yeah, it is the ice cream beauty box for the month of May 2025. We are going to unbox this, unbag it, or whatever have you. And we are going to swatch the items and go through everything that is in it and see if it is a good bag or not. Box or not. I'm going to keep calling it a bag. Where is... Oh my goodness, we've got a lot of stuff here. We've got a lot of stuff here. Where is the... I've got a card that comes with it, and it says May Legends Blossom. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 6 items in our box this month, and every month you get a palette in your box. We will save that until last. What do we have here? What's the first thing? The first thing is about, let's go to the second thing. The second thing was choice. We had a choice of several things, I think by Ofra Cosmetics. I chose this. It was, you get the All the Lights, or the California Dreams Compact by Ofra Cosmetics. And it is priced, oh, I'm gonna need my glasses. It has been a long day today. It's been a long day at work today, and this is priced at $35, and you're going to see me struggle. You're going to see me on the struggle bus with packaging today, because I just got my nails done and everything is packaged up nicely in its factory packaging and everything. Okay, good. I got the All the Lights. The All the Lights highlighter is an all-in-one highlighter that includes Rodeo Drive, Universal Flattering, Sun-Kissed Soft Gold, Pillow Talk, a soft pearl pink, Star Island, a warm ivory, and Blissful, a golden bronze with a rose undertone. So all those come in this nice highlighter. So what happens when you mix them all together? What do you get? Because that's what I'm interested in. I'm not interested in like picking out using my big old brush and picking out a little bit of highlighter. I'm just gonna mix them all together. That's what I'm gonna do, and that's the shade that I'm gonna get right there. Kind of a pinky champagne-y bronzy color, all in one right there. And that's very nice. We got that there. Ofra makes some nice highlighters. I've had some of their highlighters in the past. I think I've had Rodeo Drive in the past. So that's very nice. What is the next thing we have? Mauve Lip Oil by Illuminati. Ooh, $21 for a lip oil. Okay, thank you for being nice about opening up your product. This is what we have here. Ooh, a nice lip oil. Okay, I had just put on my lips before coming on here, but I'm always up to trying a lip oil. Do we have any other? No, we don't have any other lip products. Just this one. Okay, let's try this. Hydrating. Or it didn't say it was hydrating, it just said it was a lip oil. This is by Illuminati, huh? This feels more like a gloss to me. This does not go on smooth like an oil. This feels like a gloss. It kind of has a cupcake scent to it. But that is not an oil. I would not call that an oil. I would call that a gloss. It's a little sticky. But that is definitely a gloss. Okay, I'm gonna move on to this. We've gotten this before. It is the Appeal. Well, let me see what it says about the lip oil. This hydrating lip oil gives you the perfect mix of comfort and color. There's really no color to it. With a soft mauve tint and glassy shine, wear it alone for a natural flush or layer it over lip liner for a smooth, juicy finish that feels effortlessly chic. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like the way it feels. I don't really like the way it feels. Maybe I'm too used to these lip balms and liking the way these lip balms feel. The way the lip balms feel better than the lip oils and all this stuff, but I don't know. I've got this. And that's like for $22. No, I definitely wouldn't pay that. Here I've got like a $3.99 or $4.99 Essence lip oil. This is more of a lip oil. It has a nice slip to it. It's not sticky at all. That's a nice lip oil right there. Okay. I don't know. This is really the only box I get that has indie brands in it. So I'm gonna say that I already got this in this box. This is the Appeal Hydrating Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm gonna put this away, maybe for my giveaway that I got coming up, but I still have that and it's still got plenty in it. But it goes for $21. It says lock in your eye look with this creamy hydrating primer that enhances shadow payoff and keeps color crease free all day. Use a small amount and blend evenly across your lids before applying eyeshadows for the ultimate staying power. It is a good eye primer. I will give it that. So there's nothing wrong with it. I don't really need it. I don't really need it. Okay. I think something went wrong. Because I got two of these. And I was supposed to get a loose Duochrome pigment by Chantico Beauty for $15. I was supposed to get a weightless loose pigment, shifts colors as it moves with the light. It has pinks, purples, blues, and peach shades. Layer it over darker shades to really make it pop. Used with the eyeshadow primer included with this box to help minimize fallout. Chantico Beauty also just released their Diosa Volume 1 9 Duochrome palette. They are giving all of you $10 off with the code Eyescream. I did not get that this Duochrome powder, but I did get this, what they're calling a bonus item. Eyebrow pencil by Base Blue Cosmetics, $10 each. It is a micro precise brow pencil. Are they both the same? No, one's in 01 and one's in 02. Interesting. I'm gonna guess neither of these colors are my colors if it's 01 and 02. This is what they look like right there. So far, I'm not really that impressed with this box. Here we've got 01. Already breaking off. This is, I don't know, pretty dark. Pretty dark, it might work. I'll put it over here. And let's try 02. Oh no, that's straight up green. No, 02 is not going to work for me. I guess we'll go with 01. Then, okay, let's clear the air. Here, let's clear the air. Let's take a drink of water. I got a good highlighter. Let's not think about the lip oil. Let's not think about the eyebrow pencil, although I think that one eyebrow pencil will look good. It's just a little bit fragile. Let's look at this eyeshadow palette we got here. This is the Legend palette by Beauty Creations for $21. That is very pretty there. Okay, I got that comes off there. I don't think I need to keep that. This is very pretty. Okay, pinks and purples. I do like me some pinks and purples. Let's see what it has to say about this. This palette is inspired by Queen of Tejano music, Selena Quintanilla. Okay, so it's inspired by Selena. This 25 shade palette is packed with bold mattes, dazzling shimmers, and glitters that let you create everything from everyday glam to legendary looks. Mix warm and cool tones to craft your own epic eye story. Make your purple dreams come true. Okay, let's swatch some of these. It is a very pretty palette. It does have some glitters in it. Not thrilled about that. It's got a lot of glitters in it. Okay, let's put this to the side. Let's swatch this silver. Okay, that's nice. I'd call these more like satin shades. It's not really shimmer shades. So we got those there. Let's look at, let's look at this shade. It looks a little holographic here. Well, that would be nice in the inner corner there. I remember when Selena was really popular, and I remember when the tragedy happened. Okay, let's try this color here. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is a beautiful color. Okay, we gotta try this purple. There are no shade names, which is a shame. And we got this purple. Oh, that feels nice. I think Beauty Creations is a Hispanic-owned company. So I got all those colors. It would make a very pretty palette. And I like the outside of the palette too. So I think that's a win. Doing this in the highlighter, I don't mind spending $25 on this box. But the other products and the fact that I didn't get that Duochrome, which I'll probably have to contact the company, which is something I never want to have to do. Cause I hate talking to customer service. I hate it. I just don't like doing that. But it is nice that they give you two shades of the eyebrow pencil. One for lighter eyebrows and one for darker eyebrows. So let me know what you think of the box down below. Did you get this box? Did you get the Duochrome? What did you think of everything? And have you tried out any of the products yet? Let me know all your opinions, all your thoughts, everything down in the comment section. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm sending you out. I forgot to turn on the sign again. I just came home from work, went and got my nails done, came here, sat down, saw that I got this, and just started my phone up. I didn't even plug in my good vibes sign, but I am sending you out all of the good vibes, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.